The Ultimate Ride of My Life by Nguyen and Bill Must Production. It's so amazing how life can take you on roller coaster rides and you just keep yearning for that moment when you get to ride on the smooth ride. And then the opportunity came and knocked on your door. That is when the ultimate ride of my life begins. I learned, I came, I lost, I found. I learned, I imagined, and most of all, I believe. I believe in the kindest hearts, the brilliant minds, the commitment, and the wisdoms which have curated many years. It does not take just an idea or an awakening moment to start this journey. It started with the wisdom and the visions, planting the seeds, planning, focusing, and working on the plans. It takes massive actions, create momentum, and most of all, the commitment and the determination attitude, do or die. This is home. Onpassive is home, and Onpassive is enough. And I stayed. I am just so blessed to have someone think of me and my family. Yes, me and millions of people in the world. That someone is Mr. Ash Muffard, the most humble, the kindest, and the most brilliant man, and I get to call him friend. The roller coaster ride with Mr. Ash Muffard and many friends of Onpassive has not been a smooth ride, but we've got each other. We are solid, and we are going to last indefinitely. This is it, my friends. This is where we belong. It takes a complete belief in the man who leads and believe in the journey we are traveling together. Do you have what it takes to be here, to be in it? Do you want to be on the same ride? Are you staying on the same track? Think about it. Thank you for listening.